Good morning, guys. Spotted this little fella on Thingiverse. Need to clean off the support layers. I just thought I could convert that to either a solar light or a night light. What I wanted to do was import it into Tinkercad and modify it there, but the file was too big. I couldn't import it, so I'm going to have to manually cut into him. Cleared away the support layers. And I printed it with only 5% infill, so it's very light. Just a very basic proof of concept. I've just drilled a hole in the back of his head and stuck an LED on there with a button cell on it. Oh, it just fell off. Oh, that's all right, we can actually demonstrate sticking it in the back of his head. Yeah, the camera is obviously correcting for brightness. Let's see if we can dim that a little bit. Oh, come on, camera. There we go. Yeah, it doesn't want to stay like that. Try one more time. There we go. So yeah, that does work. It's not the LED getting brighter, it's the camera doing a auto. If I hold my finger on it, that should lock it. Oh, it didn't. Come on, lock. Right, that should be locked. No. Oh well, camera's too clever for its own good. One more try. Yeah. Yeah, so it will work. Just have to decide what we want to do about the button cell. Whether to run wires underneath his tummy and tuck the button cell under there. Or I had it in mind to run this off solar power anyway. So I might use one of my solar lights, charge during the day, and light up at night. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and leave me a comment so I know how I'm doing.